When you have a leaking roof, why replace the whole thing when a repair will do? Get an assessment by Roofing Repairs Company. No matter what condition your roofing system or its age, you can count on us at Tornado Roofing for repairs. We can find and fix any number of items, providing you with quality results quickly each time you hire us. From missing materials to wood rot, water leaks, and more, you can rely on our staff for it all. Contact Tornado Roofing today and give your roofing system the best in local roofing repair services for your home or office. Tornado Roofing and Contracting provides building services to add an addition, repair any damaged building components or change the appearance of the interior or exterior of a home or facility. Our contractors read the plans and specifications to be on point with an architect or engineer designs and then make sure the project is completed in perfection. We specialize in results and respond to all calls with no excuses. Tornado Roofing and Contracting excels at providing energy-saving coatings and waterproofing services as well as environmental solutions. To make certain that the membrane roofing on your facility reaches its full life expectancy, we will provide a preventive maintenance agreement which will comply with any manufacturer's warranty requirements and help extend the life of your roofing system. Our highly trained roof assessment specialists will perform an on-site inspection of the existing roofing membrane and let the owner know what is required to keep the roof in a watertight condition. Tornado Roofing and Contracting firmly believe in 100% customer satisfaction. We have high-quality services available to suit your needs. If you want to order any of our services, call 954-968-8155. Email info@tornadoroofing.com. Visit our website, tornadoroofing.com. We're happy to help you.